Good morning all of you. In this video we will discuss about the classification of enzyme. We know that what is meant by enzyme. Enzyme, it is one of the catalyst which is responsible to increase the rate of reactions. Okay, in that when we see the different types of enzymes, so you can see here there are different types of different classified enzymes are seen. The first enzyme, that is the oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase, in this word we have to see here, this oxidoreductase enzyme which is responsible to oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, oxidation and reduction means what? Means in that what happened there, these enzymes which is responsible to removal of hydrogen or the oxygen. Then second thing, that in that when we see the one of example, that is alcohol dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase means what? Hydrogen group which is removed, that is dehydrogenase. Okay, from this alcohol means alcohol plus NAD plus. NAD plus one of the molecule which is react with the alcohol. In that the alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme which is present, so that it form the aldehyde and the NADH plus 2. Means from this alcohol one of the NADH hydrogen, addition of hydrogen, that is the reduction reaction. Okay, this removal of hydrogen, that is the reduction. In that we have to see here, that is alcohol dehydrogenase. It is one of the example of oxidoreductase, and this oxidoreductase enzyme which is responsible to oxidation and reduction, both the reaction which is done through that of the oxidoreductase enzyme. Next one is the transferase enzyme. From this word we have to see here, that is a transferase, means this enzyme which is responsible to transfer the molecule, so which one of the example, that is glucokinase. Okay, this glucokinase which is this glucokinase, when glucose which is react with that of the ATP molecule, it forms the glucose 6-phosphate. This reaction which is done into that of the ग्लायकोलिसिस प्रोसेस. ओके, ग्लायकोलिसिस जे रिएक्शन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला जे काही रिएक्शन दिसेल, एक त्यामधली ही एक रिएक्शन आहे. when we see the glucose plus ATP molecule react with each other in presence of glucokinase, it form the glucose 6-phosphate. means glucose मध्ये एक phosphate molecule add केला. so we have to say here, that is a transferase, means phosphate group transferred केला कुठून, ATP molecule, एक adenosine triphosphate, it convert into the adenosine diphosphate. ओके, म्हणजे इथे याच्यामधला एक फॉस्फेट ग्रुप घेतला आणि तो कुठे ट्रान्सफर केला, ग्लुकोजला, म्हणून आपण इथे काय म्हणतो, ट्रान्सफरेज. अँड दिस ट्रान्सफरेज, one of the example, that is glucokinase. So that we have to say here, that is glucose react with ATP molecule in presence of glucokinase, it form the glucose 6-phosphate with that of the ADP molecule. Okay, the next enzyme classified into hydrolase enzyme. Hydrolase enzyme, in this what happen, this hydrolase enzyme is it is responsible to catalyze the hydrolytic reaction. It is responsible to this enzyme catalyze into that of the hydrolytic reaction. Hydrolytic means what? Breakdown. Okay, so that into one example is included into hydrolase enzyme, that is the sucrose enzyme. Sucrose which is react with that of the sucrase enzyme. When this enzyme, in presence of this sucrase enzyme, it will be break down sucrose into that of the glucose and the fructose, two molecules which is formed in presence of the sucrose. Okay, sucrase enzyme, ASE, so that of the sucrase, in it called as the hydrolase. Okay, hydrolase. In that, these different examples are included. One of the amylases enzyme, second one is the protease, and third one is the lipase. Means in that what happened, this protease, we know that is protease enzyme which is responsible to break down of the proteins. Lipase enzyme responsible to break down of the lipids. Okay, amylase group which is amino group which is break down through that of the amylase, or amylase group which is divided from this amylase. And this reaction which is seen into which is these enzymes which is work into the hydrolytic reaction. Next one enzyme, that is the lysase. Lysase, it is responsible, this enzyme catalyze into the removal of group of atom from the substrate to leave the double bond. It is responsible to leave the double bond. Means in that what happened, for example, aldolase enzyme hai, then decarboxylase enzyme hai, dehydratase enzyme, then decarboxylase enzyme, and one of the histidine means in that one of the enzyme which is involved, different enzymes, the different examples of enzymes which is seen: aldolases, decarboxylase, dehydratase. Okay, so one of the reaction which is seen: histidine which converting into histamine, removal of CO2, with that of the removal of CO2 in presence of histidine decarboxylase. म्हणजे हिस्टेडाइनचं काय दिलेलं आहे? डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन. डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन म्हणजे काय की कार्बन डायऑक्साइड हे हिस्टेडाइन मधून काढला आणि त्याला कन्वर्शन कशामध्ये केलं? हिस्टामाइन. ओके, सो अँड रिमूव्हल ऑफ CO2 म्हणजे हा CO2 बाहेर निघाला याच्यातून कशातून? हिस्टेडाइन. पण इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ histidine decarboxylase, and this enzyme which is called as the lysase, means lysase which is responsible to catalyze the reaction in which what happened, that is the removal of group of atom, one of the atom from the substrate, removal of group of atom from the substrate to leave the double bond. Okay, in that these all are the reactions which is seen into the classification of enzyme. One another reaction which is also included. Now the next enzyme, that is isomerase. Okay, isomerase, in that what happened, that is there are different examples are included into the isomerase: racemase, epimerase, isomerase enzyme, mutase enzyme. One of the example, xylose isomerase, means these isomerase enzyme which is in the form of racemase enzyme, epimerase enzyme, or isomerase enzyme. Okay, or mutase enzyme. In that what happened, this isomerase enzyme which is responsible to structural rearrangement within the molecule, it is catalyzed into that of the structural rearrangement. म्हणजे isomerase त्याच्यासारखाच दिसणारा मॉलिक्यूल दिसेल, फक्त त्याचा स्ट्रक्चरल अरेंजमेंट डिफरंट असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, included glucose 6 phosphate, it converted into fructose 6 phosphate. Glucose 6 phosphate converted into the fructose 6 phosphate in presence of isomerase enzyme. So isomerase enzyme responsible to structural rearrangement within the molecule, and it is also responsible to nomenclature. It is based on that of the nomenclature based on the type of isomerism. Means in that we have to see here that is a glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose 6 phosphate चा isomer कोण आहे? fructose 6 phosphate. ओके, पण कशामुळे? in presence of isomerase enzyme. हा isomerase enzyme जो आहे हा कशासाठी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहे? ग्लुकोज 6 phosphate चं कन्वर्शन fructose 6 phosphate मध्ये करण्यासाठी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहे. So that we are to say here that is isomerase, it is responsible, or this enzyme which is responsible to catalyze the rearrangement of the structure of the molecular group of enzyme. Okay, so in that the second enzyme, that is the ligase enzyme, or the ligase or the synthetase enzyme. What is the role of this ligase or synthetase enzyme? In that you can see here that is the pyruvate plus, in presence of pyruvate, presence of CO2 and ATP molecule. We know that it is one of the energy molecule, adenosine triphosphate. In presence of pyruvate carboxylase, this pyruvate carboxylase, it is one of the example of the ligases or the synthetase enzyme. It formed the oxaloacetate ADP plus PR, means this ATP molecule which is which is converted into the ADP to PR. Means what happened here? This ligase or synthetase enzyme which is responsible to covalent, or it is catalyze the covalent linkage of molecule utilizing the energy obtained from the hydrolysis of the energy rich compound. For example, ATP, GTP. Okay, and their examples are the glutathione, synthetase, and second pyruvate carboxylase. These are the example. These are the example of ligase or synthetase. Pyruvate carboxylase, it is one of the enzyme which is responsible to convert the ATP molecule. Means पाहिजे का सांगितलेलं आपण की हा एक कोव्हॅलेंट लिंकेज फॉर्म करणार आहे. कशामध्ये? जो आपला एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल आहे तो एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल इथे काय होत आहे? वी हॅव टू से हियर युटिलाइजिंग द एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल, युटिलाइजिंग द एनर्जी ऑप्टेन फ्रॉम हायड्रोलिसिस. म्हणजे हे जे एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल आहे याचं काय होणार आहे ते ब्रेकडाऊन होईल किंवा ऑक्झॅलेट पायरुवेटचं कन्व्हर्शन कशात होणार आहे ऑक्झॅलो ऍसिटेट मध्ये इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ पायरुवेट कार्बोक्सिलेज. ओके, सो दॅट यू हॅव टू सी हियर दॅट इज एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल विच इज कंपाऊंड. आता एक्झाम्पल काय सांगितलेलं आहे एनर्जी रिच मॉलिक्यूल कोणते एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल आहे जीटीपी मॉलिक्यूल आहे. ओके, तर याचं हायड्रोलिसिस जर झालं तर याचं कन्व्हर्शन कशात होणार एडीपी प्लस पी आहे. ओके, इनऑर्गॅनिक फॉस्फेट दॅट इज पी आहे. So that you have to say here that is ligase or the synthetase enzyme which is responsible to catalyze the covalent linkage of molecule utilizing the energy which is obtained from the hydrolysis of energy molecule. म्हणजे या एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल एटीपी असेल किंवा जीटीपी असेल याचा हायड्रोलिसिस झालं तर इथून आपल्याला काय मिळतं दिस एनर्जी विच इज युटिलाइज्ड अँड फॉर्म द ऑक्झॅलो ऍसिटेट. ओके, through that of the pyruvate carboxylase that is called as a ligase or synthetase. याचं तुम्हाला फक्त एक्झाम्पल लक्षात ठेवायचे आणि रिॲक्शन्स. आता ह्या ज्या रिॲक्शन्स आहेत तुम्हाला 12th मध्ये सगळे एन्झाईम्स तुम्हाला एक युनिट आहे त्यामध्ये पर्टिक्युलर सगळ्या सायकल्स दिलेल्या आहेत. त्या सायकल्समध्ये तुम्हाला ह्या एन्झाईम्सचा यूज होईल. त्याच्यामुळे ह्या रिॲक्शन्स किंवा ह्या एन्झाईम्स तुम्हाला माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे की कुठे याचा यूज होतो. ठीक आहे, so these enzymes which all are important for the metabolic reaction in the human organism. Okay.